Will chat replace apps?
Um, I feel chat apps the usage of apps will decrease. It is decreasing, but it won't completely replace, right? If you look at our usage pattern, we the most time we spend is on WhatsApp, right? And the capability is such that you can do almost everything on WhatsApp. That is one app that you download the first when you have uh, got a new phone, or when you wake up. That is the first app you open up. And because of the shrinking storage size of phones, it is also becoming difficult for a person to have multiple apps, right? Uh, so that's why users prefer that the services are provided on channels where they are already there, right? If I ask you to, if say that you have five uh, clothing brand that you would like, so you wouldn't prefer to have five different apps of those clothing brands, right?
I can go on
So
Chrome
that
and
is,
go on
yeah, you can
their
simply come
website.
to, yeah, you already have WhatsApp. Those brands are present on WhatsApp. You simply text them, and most of the things that happen on apps can be replicated into your, you know, chat apps or chat channels, right? Apps today serve a very different purpose, right? Very complex things, uh, or things that require a good amount of compliances or strict compliances. Apps are today, solving that problem. But yeah, almost 80% of the purpose of the apps can be solved by having a chat automation on, whatever channels you have.